Hi everyone. In this video, white is going to win the game, but there's only one way. And also, when we say like white is going to win, it doesn't necessarily mean white is going to do a checkmate. White gets into a winning position in which the eventual checkmate will be inevitable, whether it be in like 10 moves, 20 moves, but white has the winning position. All right. So the only way for white to get a winning position is to somehow win the opponent's queen. So in order to do that, we have to do some tactics. We have to get a little bit creative. Now, like if we could pin the opponent's queen this way, that would actually look very nice, right? But the problem is they can just capture us. But if they capture us, you see the knight is very close to doing some forks. If the queen or the king was in one of these squares, we could try to do a fork with the knight, right? Imagine like if the queen was here, then the knight could do a fork over here. Imagine if the queen was here, then the knight could do a fork from there. But how do we displace the opponent's queen? Well, we have this pawn, and we can do this other fork. However, they can capture this. They can capture with the king, they can capture with the queen, and again, if they don't capture, you will capture their queen anyway. And now we have two passed pawns, we will get a queen. It's going to be an easy win. But if they capture with their queen, we are going to do a check from f3. If they capture with the king, we're going to do a check from e6. So after we get their queen, it's very easy. Like they can't stop us from promoting. And once you get the queen, you can do a single queen checkmate. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.